Now, before we will start these discussions. Definitely, I have been very selective. Matlab, I'm a too biased person because every time what I do is, first it is important to build convictions in what you do, because there is a saying in sales that sales is 99% convictions and 1% communications of that conviction. So all these three people now, they are very close friends of mine, and if I had to put my money in PMS, these are the three people where I would have put it. At my level today, I know every portfolio managers in this country. আপনারা সবাই জানেন that I am a trainer. When it comes to understanding a product, for example, all of you have been attending mutual fund conferences over the last 10 years, 20 years. And today, all of you who are sitting into this particular hall have built up a experience, expertise in mutual funds. মোটামুটি আপনারা different conferences এ যান, you meet various thought leaders around mutual funds. So you have built up an expertise. Now, PMS এর ক্ষেত্রে না, it is very, very important that whenever you start doing something, जैसे আমি যখন একটু আগে I was outside, somebody says ki Romit sir, I want you be as a mentor to me. Now, when you are looking for a mentor, it is very, very important that mentors also tells you to do the right thing. And because আমি যদি আপনাদেরকে, কারণ all of you are coming to me for training, so your first ABCD of PMS and alternates is happening through me. So if I don't introduce you to the best guy, then the foundations will be very, very light. And that is where, when me, Vyas, Deepak, we discussed about doing this panel, I was very, very selective. Because if I am sitting on a stage, because now I am officially part of AFM, I have to bring those people जिसको मैं last, either जैसे मैं मोहित को, I know Mohit for the last 15 years. I am part of Piper Serica and I work closely. So my own money is also with Piper Serica and also with ASK. So it's very, very important that for the next 5-6 years, if I have to handhold you as a mentor, as a trainer, as a coach, or whatever you see, I have to introduce these three people. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome these three people. So apnara motamoti now you have gone to this. Mohit, I will come to the first question. Correct? Mohit is from Calcutta. Apnara onake hoyto janen. And Mohit has been a distributor for a long time, and he also runs his own PMS. So my first question is, what brought you from a mutual fund distributor to a PMS journey?
Well, I'll be very honest with you. For the longest periods of time, we were planning to shift to the RIA model. Because क्या होता है, we were always financial advisors at heart. दिल से बोलेंगे तो हम लोग financial advisors है. CB का जो रूल आ गया कि distributors है वो अलग है, but दिल से तो हम लोग advisors है. And somebody says कि you are not an advisor, it didn't sit well with me. Internationally, what I realized was that an advisor just does not do mutual funds. They do everything जो practically हम सब कर रहे थे. Now the question was to shift to an RIA or to a PMS. The way I realized, ability to charge fees. हमें every time when you're trying to do an online transaction or a physical transaction, आपको client का signature चाहिए, OTPs confirm कराना पड़ता है. The pain, it's chaotic. We literally, if we are telling our client in the middle of COVID कि आप equity buy करिए, move from fixed income, even though उसने 3 महीना पहले आपको consent दिया है, agree किया है, but आज उसका मन घूम जाएगा. अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ, करता हूँ. We cannot get the client to do good. We can't save the client from himself. Practically speaking, that is it. So this is one of the very reasons why we started PMS. And second and most important thing, कोई मेरे क्लाइंट ने बोला कि आप तो बॉस फीस चार्ज कर रहे हो कम, म्यूचुअल फंड को पैसा मिल रहा है, चाहे मेरा नुकसान हो चाहे प्रॉफिट हो. एंड दैट रियली स्ट्रक मी. वी आर डूइंग दिस टू क्रिएट वेल्थ फॉर आवर इन्वेस्टर्स. हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए हम भगवान का काम करते हैं. इन्वेस्टर्स को एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि हम उनको भगवान वेल्दी बनाएगा. दिस इज वॉट वी आर डूइंग. एंड वाई शुड वी मेक मनी when the client is not making money? In a PMS, we got an opportunity to offer them, we will not make money if you don't make money. And that, I think, stays with the client कि तुम एक भी पैसा नहीं बनाएगा अगर मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा तो. And I say yes. That two things I think were the one thing which which said हमको PMS में shift करना चाहिए.
Brilliant, Mohit. In fact, that's clearly, speaks about your faithfulness towards the professions. You have to be faithful to your professions, right?
Absolutely.
So, Ajay, to you, so I'll, correct. So that to Ajay. So, Ajay, to you, matlab, the way I see ASK as, they are like the Oberois and the Libertarians and the Taj of the world. So when you have to take your closest person, let's say आप family during the puja, lot of people goes out. तो अगर आपको family को कहीं पे बाहर में लेके जाना है, so which hotels do you normally choose? You want to give them the best experience because every hotel operates in a similar way. So Ajay, I always say that you guys are the Oberois and the Taj of the world.
You're far too kind. Thank you.
So Ajay, my question is that since you are the leaders, and people learn from the leaders, what are your advice? Because there are a lot of people I know here who has a very large captive audience on their, to their clients who are a potential PMS investor. जैसे yesterday after presentation they asked me कि sir कैसे बात करें? So as a leader, what are your experience and what are the success steps to start that first conversation with a client towards PMS?
Sure. So the basic idea is firstly to understand what the client has. I think we get fixated with going and meeting a client and having a already product in mind. कि हम ये pitch करेंगे client को आज. The first thing is to stop doing that. First thing, go and understand what the client has. After understanding that, the second step ideally should be figuring out what the client requires over a period of time. After you understand what the client requires, comes the third step of identifying where the money is to be allocated. The third step again is very critical. And as I mentioned, if you fixate only with a single platform, say mutual funds, a great again tool of investing and lots of features and opportunities available there. It's still important to broaden your own horizon and having more opportunities, or at least having an idea of more opportunities available. And let me give my own experience of how, example, the PMS side has really grown because of this. So when I joined, our core AUMs were mostly across 3 locations. It'll be Delhi or NCR, Mumbai and Bangalore. So 90% plus was across these 3. We have 4,000 cities in India at the current juncture. 300 hai, which are relevant enough currently. Imagine people, and I say people, I say investors, have become more aware. And that's where your role becomes very critical. More than 250 cities or clients from 250 cities are actually investing in ASK. So that's the breadth that we've already had within ASK platform. Let me also add one more perspective here from a distribution perspective. When I started in ASK again in 2014, we had 3 large partners, mostly private banks and wealth setups. By 2019, this became a much larger pool, but again, purely private banking and wealth setups. But in the last 3-4 years, with more awareness of the platform, we currently have 1,000 MFDs who are on the ASK platform, where we have assets of about 2,250 crores. That's a large number to really have. And I still say we're scratching the surface with these names. What does that imply? More and more people, more and more partners, more and more advisors are really going out and speaking about alternatives in PMS as part of the overall product bouquet. My request is just broaden the horizon, add more product lines. It doesn't end there. There are still multiple more platforms available to you go and speak of, and that's the key to ensuring you get more mindshare.
Brilliant. Ajay. So next to Ajay, Ajay, I have been seeing Ajay for almost now 2.5 years. A lot of times being a veteran into this industry, you also learn from, young generations, because they bring a lot of perspective to the way you are looking at. আপনি একটা পার্টিকুলার জিনিসকে একটা পার্টিকুলার অ্যাঙ্গেল থেকে দেখছেন, a new guy or a young guy comes and tells you, okay, no, don't see from that angle. So I was, interested in one of his said, Dada, PMS में ना it is not portfolio management fund, it is portfolio management services. और ये सर्विस के एंगल में देखना चाहिए. So Ajay, can you throw a light that what is the difference between a fund and a services, and how do a distributor or a financial because I don't call distributor, that's to me it looks very wrong way of for a financial practitioners. What is this person, PMS? What is this service and how does it get differentiated from a fund?
So अगर आप I'll just borrow from my friend and investors presentation that Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? तो उसमें जो लास्ट दो ऊपर जो टॉप वाले थे ना, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन एंड एस्टीम. जब आप सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन, आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को वो याद होगा वो स्लाइड, तो उसमें जो सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन था ना, वहाँ पे मर्सिडीज बेंज था. Mercedes Benz is about customization. When you walk into a Maruti showroom, when you walk into a Hyundai Honda showroom, they'll have standard cars, standard colors, standard trim options. When you walk into a Mercedes showroom, or for that matter, a Rolls Royce or the real luxury brands, वहाँ पे आप उन गाड़ियों में seats customize कर सकते हो, door color customize कर सकते हो. So it is about customization. And I keep saying this, PMS is service, it is not a product. अब उसमें service element है क्या? एक classic difference बताता हूँ. When you're speaking to your investors and when you're doing a review of the portfolio, तो उनके portfolio में 5-6 funds होंगे. I'm talking about mutual funds. तो वो देखेगा ये fund ठीक है, ये fund ठीक है, ये fund ठीक है, ये underperform कर रहा है, तो चलो इसको निकाल देते हैं. When you have investors who are doing PMS, वो देखता है अच्छा ये stock है, ये stock है, ये stock है. वो ना उन स्टॉक्स के बारे में जाके पढ़ता है, जो अच्छा कर रहा है उसके बारे में भी पढ़ता है, और जो अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है उसके बारे में भी पढ़ता है. फिर वो आके एडवाइजर को बोलता है अच्छा इनके पास ये 2 स्टॉक्स है, वो अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे, बट मुझे लगता है इसलिए अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे. अब उसमें एडिशनली क्या होता है ना कि PMS managers are used to writing to their investors and partners. When I say writing, तो वो हर महीने हर क्वार्टर लेटर लिखते हैं. And believe it or not, all my investors read my investor letter. और वो आके मुझसे बात करते हैं अच्छा आपने वो लेटर में वो लिखा था, आपने ये स्टॉक ऐड किया. So there are a lot of these elements which are not there here, right? Customization. Second, when I say customization, होता क्या है कि जैसे अजय ने भी यहाँ पे कहा कि किसी को बजाज फाइनेंस नहीं चाहिए, right? There are a lot of people in let's say गुजरात जो कहते हैं नॉनवेज नहीं चाहिए, तो उनके लिए पोर्टफोलियो में वो कस्टमाइजेशन भी है that businesses that are dealing with non-veg, the Jain investors, they don't want non-veg and alcohol, तो वो भी customization. So PMS really is about a differentiated thinking. कोई flexi cap, कोई thematic, but a PMS can be a mix of all. And at the same time, let me also tell you, ये दोनों में ना competition नहीं है. A lot of times, financial advisors ask me this question कि सर ये इन्वेस्टर के पास 2 करोड़ रुपए हैं, PMS में डलवाऊं या म्यूचुअल फंड में. I tell them that look, इसमें ना दोनों में कभी भी कंपटीशन हो नहीं सकता है. इट इज ऑलवेज कोऑपरेशन. मतलब वो शायद 1 करोड़ रुपया म्यूचुअल फंड में डालेगा और 50 लाख रुपया PMS में डालेगा. एंड एज एडवाइजर्स आई स्ट्रांगली थिंक, जैसे आपने कहा ना कि आई डोंट कॉल देम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, आई डोंट कॉल देम म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, बिकॉज आप लोग एक छोटा शॉप नहीं हो. आप लोग यू हैव टू ग्रो आउट टू बी अ मॉल, अ रिलायंस मार्ट, अ डी मार्ट. रिलायंस और आपके नुक्कड़ वाले शॉप के बीच में फर्क ये है कि आपका जो नेक्स्ट डोर शॉप है, ग्रोसरी शॉप, उसके पास 5 आइटम मिलता है. रिलायंस के पास 500 आइटम मिलता है अक्रॉस कैटेगरीज. सो यू एज एडवाइजर्स डोंट, मतलब जब ऑल्टरनेट्स का बात होता है ना, तो कभी कभी पीपल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अरे ये क्यों करना है. मे बी, मे नॉट बी, यू मे नॉट वांट टू डू इट, यू मे वांट टू डू इट, पर आपको अपने बुके में, ऑफरिंग में डालना पड़ेगा. डायरेक्ट स्टॉक्स आपको डालने पड़ेंगे, PMS आपको डालने पड़ेंगे, AIF डालने पड़ेंगे, नहीं तो आपका इन्वेस्टर, जैसा अजय ने कहा ना, वो कहेगा कि अरे मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था आप ये करते हैं. So I think this is in crux why PMS is a service.
So personalization, customizations, and professionalizations. That's
Absolutely.
what the PMS offers.
Absolutely.
Mohit, to you come from Eastern India, and while I speak to a lot of these people, you know, what I get to hear a very basic concept is, हमारे पास PMS clients नहीं है. You know, we don't cater to that segment where we have enough PMS clients. And you are a PMS, you applied for a PMS license from Calcutta. So, what are the
Absolutely.
opportunities for PMSs and AI for all these people? Where are they missing out which you have captured early?
So I think 2-3 things जो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. First, like what Romit ji was saying yesterday, Calcutta has a fantastic equity culture. मतलब गुजरात के बाद वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट में भी गुजरात को बीट करता हुआ इक्विटी कल्चर कलकत्ता में है. The problem is most of my brothers and sisters over here come from an LIC or a fixed income background. So हुआ क्या है, our initial conversation जो हुआ है हमारे clients के संग, वो conservative insurance instruments के लिए हुआ है, FDs के लिए हुआ है, and now we have transitioned to mutual funds. But वो बात है क्योंकि हमने जब कस्टमर से जब पहले इंश्योरेंस की जगह FD बात किया तो वो बोला ठीक है मैं FD समझता हूँ. अब म्यूचुअल फंड बात किया तो उसको समझाना पड़ा. देन म्यूचुअल फंड सही आया एंड चालू हो गया. बट नाउ वी आर थिंकिंग हम उसको PMS के लिए बोल सकते हैं क्या. बट रिमेंबर हमारा जो कस्टमर है वो आपसे इंश्योरेंस म्यूचुअल फंड नहीं ले रहा तो क्या मतलब हुआ, कहीं और से ले रहा था तो आपने आया. अभी वो डायरेक्ट स्टॉक्स का काम कर रहा है. एंड लिटरली you and I are doing a disservice by not talking to our clients about PMS. The reason why, one of my triggers was when I did a portfolio review with a client of mine, मैंने कैलकुलेट किया उसका 7 साल का रिटर्न 8% CAGR आया है और द इंडेक्स हैड डिलीवर्ड 13%. मैं उसको बोला म्यूचुअल फंड में आ जाइए, तो बोला सर नहीं, म्यूचुअल फंड अलग स्टॉक्स अलग. वो क्लाइंट के मन में बकेटिंग है. स्टॉक्स का रुपया को म्यूचुअल फंड में नहीं लेके आएगा, म्यूचुअल फंड का स्टॉक्स में नहीं लेके आएगा. लेकिन आपका क्लाइंट है वो इन कैलकाटा. इफ वी कांट ब्रेक आउट ऑफ आवर ओन शैकल्स कि हम म्यूचुअल फंड एजेंट है, हम इंश्योरेंस एजेंट है, हम FD एजेंट है, नहीं, हम क्लाइंट के फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है, हम क्लाइंट के पोर्टफोलियो काउंसलर है. क्लाइंट को जो भी चाहिए उसका भला करना हमारा धर्म है, वेदर इट इज एनीथिंग और एवरीथिंग. इफ वी आर नॉट सर्विंग आवर क्लाइंट्स, वो रुपये अपना डुबा रहा है. आपका धर्म है, आपका ड्यूटी है उसकी मदद करना. एंड दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स आर स्ट्रक ओवर हियर.
Again, I'm going in a sequence manner because somewhere there is a very coincidence of what you are saying is actually leading to my next questions to you. Ajay, you know, being a leader, because you are one of those, the leaders in this alternate space. I heard, because I've never heard anybody is asking for the speaker's number when they got down. You are the first one. So,
I appreciate that.
what is, because as a leader, beyond business, there are certain responsibilities towards the community. There's a lot of people see me as a, thought leader, as a result of which the courses that I offer at a very affordable rate, because so that people can come learn. बेचना कि नहीं बेचना वो बात की बात है, पर पहले तो सब्जेक्ट को समझते ना. As a leader, what are the things that we can do, or what you are looking at from this community? They are all leaders. Let's say, for example, I can tell you on behalf of them, everybody would have a client who are a prospective PMS clients. Everybody, because they have created enough wealth. जैसे यहाँ पे सिद्धार्थ बंगानी बैठा हुआ है, कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है सिद्धार्थ? I know him from last 10-20 years, correct? He has a very large AU in PMS. Now, since you have a team also, what is the support that you can do in the, let's say, in the next 3 months, 4 months time, which helps them to learn the subject, take the subject, and test the success?
So support can be multiple ways. One obviously is through you, Romit bhai.
No, obviously we are there also.
So clearly, seminars and knowing more about the subject before you really speak about it is the most important factor which comes to it. So having thought leaders like Mohit and Romit and Ajay bhai, listening to them, hearing them regularly, helps you understand what the platform really provides to the clients. कभी भी आपको ना कोई जब नया सब्जेक्ट आता है पहली बार में समझ नहीं आएगा, दूसरी बार समझ नहीं आएगा. So effort डालना पड़ेगा where we keep hearing it from different thought leaders again and again and again, and that's where we start building the conviction, or at least have ideas कि क्या अच्छा है और क्या बुरा है. सबको अच्छा नहीं है, कुछ बुरा भी होगा, वो भी आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. So the first step again is through that route. How can we support is we always, I mean, at least from an ASK standpoint, we have a team across the country where we are more than willing to first educate you at our side as well, where we again run seminars at our end, talk about PMSs, the basics, try and make you understand how you can really pitch the PMS to the client. Third, what we also do is we support you by engaging with the client directly. So example, आपको लगता है कि बड़ा investor है and you need support where you want us to come along and meet that client on your behalf, we'll tag along with you, we'll meet that client, we'll position as per how you want us to position portfolios across PMSs, and that's again support that we can provide. It doesn't end there. I showed you a portfolio review tool. I think that's been a very large success. How? As I mentioned, a lot of investors have stocks. And in some cases in Calcutta, that culture is very, very big. So large stock portfolios are available across investor clients. What we do is we do a good review, a detailed review, where a lot of investors themselves are not aware कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है within their portfolios. We give a more scientific way of understanding what the portfolio can, or what the client's own personal stock portfolio is across sectors, across market capitalization, क्या अच्छा कर रहा है, क्या खराब कर रहा है, अगर कुछ खराब भी कर रहा है वो होल्ड करने लायक है कि नहीं है, उस लेवल का हम आपको रिपोर्ट देते हैं. That empowers you as an additional tool to go back and speak to the client. See, client को क्या चाहिए? Client को engagement तो चाहिए आपसे, उसको एक value add भी चाहिए. उसको हर मीटिंग में कुछ नया सुनने को भी चाहिए. We are trying to aid by giving these tools to you, where you can go back, speak to those clients, use these tools to also expand your AUM. This is dead asset. Dead asset माने ये आपके पास AUM normally आता नहीं है. If you think about stocks, वो trading कर रहा है या वो hold के बैठे हुए हैं, वो stock एक dead asset आपके लिए. Through this route, there's a possibility you can also accumulate or gain some additional AUM which was not available to you. So the support encompasses, it's actually much, much more than what you normally would get from an asset management.
Super. My questions to Ajay is, before I go to the questions, so I am officially, and formally associated with Piper Serica because I sit into their board as one of the directors. So a lot of people tells me that, who is this Piper Serica? Romit, आपकी जैसे बंदा इतने लोगों को जानते हैं. Why did you select Piper Serica as a company? You could have walked into any company and so Ajay, Piper Serica is a very new name. A lot of people have heard about a lot of other names because ASK is a giant. All people's coming. So who is Piper Serica and why do you think that? What are your range of products and how will people why will people want to associate it with you?
So Piper Serica is an asset manager just like ASK. What we have built or what we are building, हम किस journey में है कि we are basically matchmaking of two worlds. तो हम public market यानी कि listed stock market products भी हैं और private investment startups. I have an AIF also. When it comes to listed markets, we have multiple products for multiple type of investors. तो हमारे पास PMS है जो HNI investors के लिए है. It's a single multi-cap portfolio. We also have an offshore fund in Mauritius for NRIs, typically US, Middle East, जिनको इंडिया नहीं आना है, OCIs, PIOs या इंडियन KYC नहीं है या वो US में बैठा है, कैसे इन्वेस्ट करेगा यहाँ पे. So we have a structure for them. We have a Mauritius-based fund, जैसे Gift City है, which is a new IFSC in India. Mauritius is an age-old, मतलब 25 साल पुराना, 25 भी नहीं, 45-year-old IFSC. So we have a fund in Mauritius for NRIs, जहाँ पे minimum investment $1 lakh का है. And if you go to high net worth individuals in US and Middle East, $1 lakh is like 25-30 lakh rupees in Indian PPP. And we have small cases which are 2 lakh rupee direct equity portfolios for retail investors. And we have an AIF, Cat1 AIF, that invests in early stage startups. So we are basically listed equity products starting from 2 lakh rupees a PMS of 50 lakh and FPI of $100,000 and a category 1 AIF. And by the way, just to kind of rephrase or re-put that thought that Romit Dada had yesterday. A lot of people think AIF is a minimum 1 lakh rupee product. 1 crore rupee product. There is a special category, Cat 1 AIF में एक एंजल फंड है जो मिनिमम 25 लाख रुपए का है और बाय द वे वो 25 लाख रुपए भी एक बार में नहीं देने, वो ट्रांचेस में होते हैं. So I mean that is what it is. To summarize, an AIF for venture investing, a PMS offshore fund for NRIs and small cases for retail investors. और ये बोल के एक छोटा स्टोरी भी मैं आपको बताता हूँ because lot of people think ये मतलब नहीं हो रहा है. lot of people are not doing it and I will tell you one of our partners in Kolkata, he started with us 4 months back और 2 करोड़ का AUM already small case में build कर लिया है. One of the clients who started in small case 10 लाख रुपए डाले थे, he reached out to the advisor and the advisor reached out to us saying कि सर ये कह रहे हैं एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है, अभी आपके PMS में माइग्रेट कर लेते हैं. So I mean there are options where you can start small and then graduate your investor to a PMS also.
Superb. So you have a product at 2 lakhs rupees, you have a product at 25 lakhs rupees, you have a product at 50. Beautiful. And that's basically what is required. You should not go to clients with only limitation. So now we are at the final stage. Mohit, you came here, you wanted to speak something. I asked you something. Now you speak out what you want to speak. Why did you want it to come? Because, होता है ना कि हम लोग जब आते हैं, we want to speak out. So no questions. What is your communications to them? All these are your friends. मतलब, I know most of them. So what do you want to tell them? मतलब anything, product, yourself, 3 minutes. 3.
Okay. So डर लगता है PMS AIF में, आंख बंद करके डर लगना जरूरी है. सिंपली रीजन इज सीबी कैटेगराइजेशन जो म्यूचुअल फंड में अभी चालू हुआ है कुछ साल पहले, वेयर लार्ज कैप इज लार्ज कैप. पहले के जमाने में इफ यू रिमेंबर करेक्टली देयर वाज अ फंड, 2 बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड सेम फंड हाउस के थे बट अलग अलग थे. एक लार्ज कैप फंड बोलता था लार्ज कैप फंड है, फ्लेक्सी कैप नाम था, बट स्मॉल कैप रन करता था. सो नाउ इन अ PMS, you, the advisor, the portfolio counselor, the distributor has to do a lot of work. Now ये problem है, but फायदा क्या है? फायदा क्या है? That a customer himself does not know क्या सही है क्या गलत है. If he goes to any XYZ mutual fund and says I want to buy a large and mid cap fund or I want to buy a multi cap fund, chances are can he go wrong? No, he will not go wrong, right? But if he does not know what is what PMS is, what AIF is, he will make a mistake, yes. This is where metro railway हो गया है आपका mutual funds. Now you are in Formula 1 car, you need a driver. And who is the driver? You are the drivers. You have to do your homework. You will have PMS companies who will offer bigger products, but you will also have small companies who are using technical analysis, rule-based investing to safeguard your wealth. आप हीरो है. You have to make sure investors का wealth creation हो. Now, why should you choose PMS or alternatives? Yes, you make more money. Yes, investors make more money. Yes, it is more transparency. आपको दिखेगा क्या buying हो रहा है, क्या selling हो रहा है. But more importantly, customers, if they do not go to you, they will go to some stupid website or some stupid share and they will lose their wealth. It is your ethical obligation, आपका धर्म है, आपका responsibility है to save your investor from his stupidity. And you need to do this. Thank you.
Thanks, Mohit. Ajay, to you. But before that, because I am from Calcutta, so you have a team also here, Gaurav.
Yeah, we do have a
If you
team.
can ask Gaurav to come here, because
Yes,
so
that'd be great.
I would because Ajay is somebody who is traveling. So ASK has a representation in Calcutta. So Gaurav is who is based in Calcutta. So আপনারা যদি because I will do some activity with Gaurav as a part of my commitment to Ajay. So you will need Gaurav also as a support. কি করব সেটা আমি পরে আপনাদের সাথে কমিউনিকেট করব with Deepak and Vyas. But Gaurav is a part of Ajay's team and he is based in Calcutta. So Ajay's phone number এর থেকে বেশি আমার মনে হয় গৌরবের ফোন নাম্বার দেওয়াটা is more think so. Gaurav will share your phone. Oh, very good. Tale Banglati Borada beta. So Gaurav is there. So once we finish the discussions, Gaurav, please please help, because I am very actively working with ASK thing. So Gaurav is based out of Calcutta.
So Gaurav
Ajay,
is
over
a
to you.
veteran in the East, actually country, but East is what he really manages. Very, very helpful, very knowledgeable. I think any query, uh, irrespective of PMS or AIF, you can speak to him. He'll be more than happy to help out. It's not only Gaurav, we have the entire team here of Ambar and Shubham as well, who are there. I think all of us can be more
Please
than
come.
happy to help out.
Please come.
Uh,
Please, what
yeah,
you want to?
So I'll just quickly share my views. Again, very, very clear. We normally, and what Ajay had mentioned earlier as well, we normally view PMS as a competition to all other products. Or mutual fund is a competition, something else. There's no competition. They're all complementary. They all can form part of a client's portfolio. You are the one who has to decide what falls where. It's very, very critical to understand. But वो तभी होगा अगर आपको सब सारे platform पता है available to speak of. As I mentioned, it doesn't end here. You got Gift Cities, you got various other offshore funds, which Ajay again spoke of, which is available to all investors. But you should know these things. So the first step again should be to broaden the. It's a bit of a repetition. Important, broaden the horizon, understand alternates, understand PMSs, understand opportunities which a client can have access to, might be taking, but not through you. In a way, I'll also say one thing, that mutual funds, and it's not a derogatory way of saying it, but they become a commodity. Everybody can have it. It can go to a grow, they can come to you. The differentiation becomes lesser. How do you differentiate in front of a client? By providing more opportunities, by providing more ideas. We are trying to, in today's session, give you that thought that बहुत ideas available हैं जो आप present कर सकते हो client के सामने, and as advisors, you should do that. वो हमारा धर्म है करना. That's what I just want to say.
Brilliant, Ajay. So मोदी जी बताइए.
मैं जो बोलने वाला था वो इन्होंने बोल दिया. So see, I will borrow again from him. By the way, thank you for making my job easier. So see, competition है ही नहीं. मतलब काफ़ी लोग सोचते हैं स्टॉक्स के साथ म्यूचुअल फंड्स का कंपटीशन है. कंपटीशन है ही नहीं ना, क्योंकि म्यूचुअल फंड भी तो स्टॉक ले रहा है, पीएमएस भी स्टॉक ले रहा है. सो सबसे पहले तो कंपटीशन बोल के कुछ नहीं. मैं नहीं मानता कि ये मेरे कॉम्पिटिटर हैं. कोऑपरेशन है, राइट. समवन विल गिव मनी समवेयर. द आइडिया दैट पैसा जा रहा है, इकोनॉमी में जा रहा है, सर्कुलेट हो रहा है, ग्रो हो रहा है. So one message is there is no competition, there is cooperation. Second, ये एज एन एनालिस्ट, मैं एनालिस्ट हूँ बाय डिज़ाइन, तो मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. मेरा थॉट है कि आज से 10-15 साल पहले ना इंडिया डिड नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतना अच्छा नहीं था, कैपिटल नहीं था. मतलब मूवीज़ में जो बोलते थे ना, बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में जो हॉलीवुड को दिखाते थे कि पुअर पीपल, हंग्री पीपल, ये इंडिया का थॉट था. तो ये था 10-15 साल पहले की बात. टुडे एक डेकेड पहले इंडिया वाज अ कैपिटल स्टार्व्ड कंट्री. मतलब कैपिटल चाहिए था ग्रोथ के लिए. टुडे इंडिया इज अ कैपिटल अट्रैक्टिंग कंट्री. एंड आई विल टेल यू, आई एम नॉट किडिंग, इंडिया दुनिया का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन है अभी इन टर्म्स ऑफ इट्स इकोनॉमिक कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट. मतलब यूएस के अपने प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहे हैं, चाइना के प्रॉब्लम तो किसी को पता ही नहीं चलते पर चल रहे हैं, रशिया के खुद के प्रॉब्लम्स है, यूके अभी नया प्राइम मिनिस्टर आया है. सो एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स एंड इंडिया इज इन अ स्वीट स्पॉट. हमने कोविड को बहुत ब्रिलियंटली मैनेज किया. वी हैव गॉन टू ड्यूरिंग दैट जर्नी करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट वाला कंट्री, करंट अकाउंट सरप्लस वाला कंट्री बन गया, राइट. सो वी हैव गॉन फ्रॉम कैपिटल स्टाफ टू कैपिटल अट्रैक्टिंग कंट्री. मतलब कैपिटल आ रहा है, दुनिया भर से आ रहा है, राइट. और अगले 10 साल में यहाँ से we will go from capital attracting to capital abundant country. मतलब जिन इन्वेस्टर्स को आपने पिछले 10 साल में SIPs के जरिए करोड़पति बना दिया, वो करोड़पति से अरबपति भी बनेंगे. सो फॉर एवरीवन यू नीड टू हैव एन ऑप्शन. और दूसरा है ना, आप लोग तो बिजनेसमैन हो सारे, तो जो बोलते हैं ना एक्विजिशन, कस्टमर एक्विजिशन के लिए भी 10 प्रोडक्ट रखना पड़ेगा, एक से नहीं होगा. सो थिंक ऑफ इट दिस वे कि जो अगला डेकेड होगा वहाँ पे देयर विल बी अ लॉट मोर मनी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू मैनेज. कीप योर माइंड ओपन एंड नो वन इज टेलिंग यू कि ये सब करना है, बट know the products out there, know the people out there, and then it is a one-way journey to the top. That is my simple, thoda sa complicated hoga, but that is my message.
So thank you Mohit, thank you Ajay. So once we conclude, इसमें तीन चीज what I understand, and I wanted to conducted these sessions for three things. One was being in Calcutta, you need a mentor in Calcutta, which is Mohit. So I know Mohit for last 15 years, and I can tell you, every time you reach out to him, he would be very happy to help. And since he also runs a business, you might have clients who can be taken to Mohit, and given Mohit's history, and he would be very happy to do that. Why I brought Ajay was, leaders, what leaders can do, nobody can do. Ajay has spoken about a screener, which he basically analyzes platform. I will work very closely with Gaurav to help you that, how do you initiate? Because ASK has an amazing tool where you can get, which he has given already. So leaders will play its part. Mohit will do its part, Ajay will do his part. But, ASK as a leader in this segment will obviously do a lot of its part. And that is why I brought Ajay, because it is always to have the leaders of the industry, and they are the undisputed and the number one leaders. And why did I bring Ajay was that they are also you can say an emerging product manufacturer who has got a diverse product. Idea to bring him to make him say that there is a 2 lakh ka product, there is a 25 lakh ka product, there is a 50 lakh ka product, was to say that keep your mind open. Alternate investment মানে এই যে 1 কোটি টাকা 50 লাখ টাকা বড় লোকদের ব্যাপার আমার কাছে নেই, ব্যাপারটা নয়. You have opportunities, provided it how you play that opportunity. So thank you very much. We will now, আমরা আরো বেশি রোজ দেখা হবে আমাদের সাথে, and I need all of your support to build this community. 20 বছর আগে we started off our journey as a mutual fund. We are journey লড়াই করে যাচ্ছি, লড়াই করব to build PMS as a very big industry. Thank you Mohit, thank you Ajay, Modi, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the esteemed panelists.